Here's a look at your daily market report on this Thursday, the 16th day of January. Take a look at what's going on around the circuit today. New Cambria livestock market expecting to have about 1,200 head today. Mid-Missouri livestock market, they said they were expecting a very large sale today. Didn't lay a number down, but after last week's lighter run, they should have a pretty good run there today. Mocan livestock market, no early report from them. Yesterday, Springfield Livestock Marketing Center, they sold 1,655 head compared to last week. Steers were $2 to $8 higher. The heifers were uneven from 2 lower to 6 higher. Farmington Regional Stockyards, they had 931 head. They haven't had a sale since prior to the holidays, so the market there sharply higher. South Central Regional Stockyards in Vienna, 1,986 there. They hadn't had a sale since prior to the holidays either. The market there sharply higher, $20 to $30 higher, with the greatest increase being seen on the lighter heifer weight calves. Windsor Livestock Auction, they had 3,037 head. Been nearly a month prior to the holidays since they'd had a sale. Majority of the steers $10 to $15 higher. There was some spots of steady money on some of the real lightweights and a light test of yearlings. The heifers under 600 pounds were sharply higher, with several spots there up to $30 higher. Heifers over 600 pounds sold steady to 7 higher. The steers, medium and large ones, 400 to 500 pounds at $347.5 to $384.50. 5 to 6 weights at $315 to $371. 600 to 700 pounds at $289 to $330. 7 to 8 weights at $259 to $301. Feeder heifers, 400 to 500 pounds at $320 to $350. 5 to 6 weights at $279 to $351.25. 6 to 7 weights at $260 to $290. Morning box beef cutout values: choice at $333.19, down 95 cents. Select at $319.09, up $1 and a nickel. Those values based on 58 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds, and the choice select spread setting at $14 and a dime. Negotiated feedlot trades so far this week confirmed negotiated sales just over 14,000 head. In Texas, we've seen about 1,100 head, all mostly at 201. In Kansas, 6,300 head at 200 to 201. Nebraska's had about 1,200 head, 203 live, 320 to 325 dressed. Iowa's reported about 2,300 head at 203 to 205.50 live and 320 dressed. Taking a look at the futures markets this morning, a whole lot of red all across both the grains and the livestock today. We've scattered the internets all morning to see if there's something that we've missed, but really nothing of any substance turned up anywhere. Grains, about the only thing we could find was a little bit of rain in Argentina that might help the crops a bit, but really not anything substantial enough to justify the downturn today. And really nothing could be found that was newsworthy on the livestock side as well. So until we find something a little more substantial, we'll just have to chalk it up to traders can't trade if there's no trade. On the board of trade, corn contracts at midday 3 to 5 lower. March at 475.5, May 484.5, and July 487.25. Soybeans are 20 to 21 lower. March at 10.22, May 10.34, and July 10.45.25. Wheat contracts 5 to 5.5 lower. March at 5.42, May 5.53.25, July 5.63.5. Soybean meal for March 294.30 a hundredweight, down $7.70 a ton. Soybean oil for March, 45.39 a hundredweight, down 88 cents. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle for February down 217, 196.35. April 197.45, down 187. Feeder cattle for January 273.30, down $1.92. March 255 lower, 267.25. Lean hogs for February 82.15, down 97. April 90.50, down 52. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's your daily market report for Thursday. This is Tony Hancock.